Thackeray has no problem. Shivraj Singh Chauhan has no problem. Ashok Gehlot has no problem. The only chief minister throwing an absolute fit, throwing a fit over the centre's decision to send teams to assist states in a few problem areas is Mamata Banerjee. She's furious. I wonder whether it's just political ego, which, by the way, is very petty, or if there is something she wants to hide from the rest of India and also from the people of Bengal. What do you want to hide, Mamata Banerjee? Let the nation know the truth about the situation in Bengal. Let's debate.
The country has been on a lockdown for the last 26 days. As of today, over 17,600 have tested positive for the virus, out of which over 2,800 have recovered and 550 people have succumbed. But despite appeals, warnings and checks, some states have overlooked lockdown violations in a few areas. So the centre has identified the areas and has decided to send its teams to assist state governments. Out of the 11 areas identified across 4 states, that is Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and West Bengal, 7 areas are in West Bengal itself. And that has Mamata Banerjee fuming. She is the only chief minister to oppose the centre's decision. Another chief minister who's fighting the pandemic amidst challenging political times in Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and he's aghast at the way Mamata Banerjee is behaving.
कोरोना के मामले में तो ममता दीदी राजनीति मत करो, यही वो मौका है। 130 करोड़ जनता को बचाने का संकल्प नरेंद्र मोदी जी का और भारत सरकार का है। हम ये ईगो क्यों पालें कि हम जो कर रहे हैं वही सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। जरूर।
Not only has Mamata Banerjee blocked members of the Interministerial Central Team, she's also shot off a 3-page letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, loudly complaining about the state not being informed in advance. She also believes the observations made by the government on violations are devoid of facts. She says they're a figment of imagination.
এরা নেমেছে, নেমে কোথাও এসএসবি কে নিয়ে, কোথাও বিএসএফ কে নিয়ে এরা মাঠে চলে গেছে। কিন্তু এমন ভাবে মনে হচ্ছে যে আমরা কিছু লুকোচ্ছি, নেমেছেন এয়ারপোর্ট থেকেই সরাসরি ফিল্ডে চলে যাচ্ছেন, এটা কিন্তু আমরা মেনে নিতে পারছি না। আমরা বলেছি।
So are crowded fish markets in Bengal a figment of imagination too? Are traffic congestions on the Howrah Bridge a figment of imagination? Are dilution of lockdown norms in certain areas of Kolkata a figment of imagination? And are Friday prayers in mosques of Murshidabad and Hooghly imaginary? Or is the opposition to the move because there's something she wants to hide? Let's debate.
Mohammad Tausif Rahman, we are all working together at this time, and hence it is important that you don't take things personally. Now, if the centre feels that the lockdown is not being implemented properly in certain parts of the country, Siddhabrata Das, I want to start with you, Siddhabrata and Tom Vadakan, Siddhabrata and Priyanka, anyone who wants to come in. If the lockdown is not effective and more needs to be done, or if the lockdown is not completely effective in certain areas being implemented, and if you need to do some more things on the ground, then it doesn't matter whether it's an opposition rule state or BJP state. The same rules apply. You know, a team has been sent to Madhya Pradesh, right? Tom Vadakan, a team has been sent to Madhya Pradesh as well. So why is Mamata Banerjee got a problem but Shivraj Singh Chauhan does not have a problem? Unless Mamata has really got something seriously to hide. Uddhav Thackeray has no problem. So maybe you want to start the debate, Tom Vadakan, and then we'll get Siddhabrata to respond.
Arnab, the fact of the matter is most of the chief ministers across the country, from Trivandrum to Punjab to whether it's Mumbai or other states, they are working in a cooperative system and taking instructions, advice, and guidance on a centralized system. And that helps in the coordination of the national scenario. Now, with COVID-19, you need total cooperation. Now, the fact of the matter is there's so much to hide in West Bengal. I'll remind you of a fact that a couple of weeks before, there was a funeral and which was conducted at 12 o'clock midnight. No family member attended it. And what have you? There was a TMC member there. Now, the point is, no family member, TMC member, middle of the night, Arnab, what are you hiding? And when an inter-ministerial team comes, and which is going to all the states, your complaint is that they have arrived 2 hours in advance. Look at the charge, and a 3-letter letter to the Prime Minister, and complaining that the protocol has not been followed, and the government had to brief them. They have all the briefing that is required. They've come there to know the ground reality and how to help the people of West Bengal. This is India, and their life matters for this country.
You know, it's very intriguing. The Ministry of Home Affairs has set up, Tauseef, for 6 interministerial central teams to assess lockdown violations. And by the way, Tauseef, Rajasthan has no problem. Maharashtra, no problem. I spoke to Shivraj Singh Chauhan. He was on our Hindi channel, Republic Bharat. He actually welcomed it. Bengal has become very nervous. They've completely, like Mamata Banerjee is freaked out about it. She's saying, this is against the spirit of federalism. What is she hiding? More and more people in Bengal are now beginning to ask, is she unconcerned about the crisis, or is she hiding? If she has nothing to hide, this is the time when everybody needs all the additional help. So if somebody is giving additional help, it should be welcome.
Okay, Arnab, just be patient and listen to me. I can understand your concern, which is very important.
Let Tauseef complete, Siddhartha.
One second, sir. One second, sir. I understand it's a concern for the nation, not concern for the Bengal itself. I understand all the states are cooperating with the PM, and each and every one should cooperate with the PM. And this is same that Mamata Banerjee is also cooperating with the PM as well. The only problem is that when the call came from the central, they already arrived there. You know, the letter was issued like just after that. You know, so if we can walk, if we can talk hand to hand and together, everything can stimulate. You know, this whole process of interfering from the central government and landing here before approaching the state is against federalism.
Okay. Can I counter you? Can I counter you, Tauseef? I hand it over to Priyanka. Thank you. Well, my question is, Priyanka, just a thought before I hand over to you.
Tauseef,
are you complaining, Tauseef? 1 minute, Priyanka. Your complaint is that the central assistance came very early, which means you would have wanted it to come very late.
No, I never mentioned
That's exactly what you said. Why did the planes arrive so early?
This is the problem, that this should go hand to hand and this should walk together, not without informing the government.
The plane informed the air traffic control and landed. It did not land like a UFO.
It already was there. You know, it is against federalism, Arnab. You know better than me.
Allow me to answer what he just said.
Priyanka Tibrewal is responding. Hear her, please. Go on.
May I? Yes. So I am shocked to know this, that since the central government has taken the cognizance to help the people and has given its best to support the people of Bengal, but the CM and people like Mr. Tauseef are very unhappy because this help came before time. So they actually want this help to come when everything is done in Bengal and when we can only moan at the deaths of people and then do nothing about it. So it is a shock. So now a pertinent question which comes to my mind is actually, why is there a problem? Why is there a problem when the center is trying to help us out in such a situation? And it is not just West Bengal, other states too. But this is actually not a shock, because we and the people of Bengal know that P for politics comes before P for people to Mamata Banerjee, and that is the ego play which is stopping her to accept the help coming from the center. Now that's the issue.
You should be proud of your CM, where she is working 24/7 for you people and for every people in Bengal. Be proud of CM. You know, you shouldn't be faking out.
See, I will tell you, all the public servants, all the chief ministers in each and every state, they are working 24/7, and they are public servants. They are elected and selected by the people, so that's their duty and responsibility. It is nothing more or much which she is doing, for which I have to applaud to her every time. No, you people can hail every time, hail Hitler, but we will speak to the reality we see each day.
Are you upset with the progress? Are you upset with the development? If you are upset with the development and the progress, please, you can take it and you can set the false propaganda. Hats off to you. Hats off to you. No issues at all.
That is the progress.
Bengal is in safe hands. You know, safe hands. Bengal is in safe hands. And pray to God and pray to anyone that we are very safe.
Why does she not want the team? Let's go back to the moot issue. Let's get Siddhabrata in. Siddhabrata, let's look at the facts here. And I'm getting so many responses from people in Kolkata and West Bengal. Thank you very much. Many people believe that we are speaking up for them at a time when many people in their local media are under, unfortunately, so much pressure from Mamata Banerjee that they are not being able to broadcast the facts. I'm getting a lot of messages from journalists in Bengal, working for channels in Bengal, saying, thank you. I got a message saying, thank you so much for speaking up. We are not being allowed to speak up operating in Bengal. I appreciate that, but I also request all the journalists in Bengal to also start their own resistance against the blockage of news. Now, my question, Siddhabrata, is the following. Today, an ICMT team was formed and dispatched to Bengal. It was blocked. Mamata says these teams are being deployed devoid of any facts. Why would you block the ICMT team unless you want to hide discrepancies in the COVID figures, which were exposed when an expert committee set up by the Bengal government issued divergent figures? And you know, there are violations in meat and fish markets like Metia Bruce, Garden Reach, Iqbalpur, Maniktola, right? And we also that there was a mosque in Murshidabad and Hooghly open for Friday prayers, week after week, 2 successive weeks. Right? Testing numbers in Bengal, even the Calcutta High Court has pulled up the Mamata government on 17th April. And she's saying that I'm going to be like the editor-in-chief when the numbers come out, and it should all happen from Nabonno, from my office. She has given clear instructions that nobody without her approval and signature can release any numbers. You know, this is, how many people will you block? I mean, why are you blocking things? The more you block, the more people in Bengal are beginning to ask you. Believe me, Siddhabrata, today I'm not asking you. Today, across Bengal, people have begun to ask what is going on because people have a sense of fear and foreboding about what Mamata is up to.
Today, Arnab, thank you for saying this thing. Today, I got hundreds of calls and messages, and people are asking me, what is this desperation? Why is this desperation? A few days back, we saw a video of a jatra. An actor was employed to make a video that people are not getting food in West Bengal. A few days back, we saw a video getting circulated, a video from 2 years back from Ahmedabad, which was said as a video from Kolkata that there are a lot of congregations happening. People are asking me throughout the day, I'm getting so many calls and messages, what is this desperation? Why a central ministry can always come to the state, but why are they coming with 30 minutes before they are giving a notice? Why this desperation? What do you want to
hide?
What they want to tell to the people?
Why should they not come? How does it affect you badly? How does it hurt the people of Bengal? Let me ask you this. Siddhabrata, let's forget this question of whether they came 30 minutes before or after. If I were to ask you a question, Siddhabrata, tell me what is the problem if they come? What do the people of Bengal lose?
There are faulty test kits.
You're getting so nervous.
You have given 7,500 test kits.
You're so stressed.
Out of which 5,500 tests has been conducted.
You are so nervous.
There has been faulty test kits.
What are you hiding?
No question being asked about it.
Something's not right. Why would he not want someone to come?
Has reached West Bengal. I think they have taken a cognizance of the situation in the state. The people are asking me, where is the food? Where is the money the Prime Minister has promised? Why are the test kits faulty? Please
tell us. What is this team
Please tell me, why are the test kits faulty?
All right, Mr. Siddhabrata, I just want to ask you something. Tell me, what is this team here in Bengal for? Are they coming to snatch something from you or to provide assistance to you?
Acting and
Answer.
showing that people
But
are
listen,
not
there's no
getting
point
food.
shouting and
What
wasting
is
your
this
time and everyone's
desperation?
time, whoever's
Why
watching.
are you so
The
desperate?
team here
What is your
is
agenda?
here to do
People
what?
can see this.
They're here to
The
focus
entire
on
state of
issues
West Bengal can
related
see
to
your true
supply of
picture.
essential
The true
commodities,
picture of BJP.
regarding
What
social
is his true
distancing,
agenda? To
regarding
manage the
health
state
infrastructure,
at all costs.
regarding
To manage
hospital
the state at
facilities,
all costs.
regarding the
You have
sample
only single
statistics,
point agenda
for the
to
safety of
manage
health
the state at
professionals,
all costs.
to make the
That state is
availability
not
of
doing
test
enough.
kits.
But
Now,
the people
which
of this state
points
know
out
very
of
well.
this
People are
are
continuously
What about the-
phone calls
that
and
West
messages.
Bengal government
Why
is
they are
scared?
circulating
Babul
fake
Supriyo is also
videos?
on now.
Tell me.
Why they are circulating
asked you a
fake
question,
videos?
please reply.
Why so much desperation
Let's get him
from
on.
BJP?
One second. Let's get Babul on. Babul is on. Babul in the middle, please. One sec. Babul Supriyo. Babul Supriyo is with me now.
Why in some
1 second. Okay, Siddhabrata, you're on one side. Let's hear the rest of Siddhabrata. Let him hear the rest of... Babul, 1 minute. Siddhabrata of the TMC has been going on and on. Siddhabrata, say hello to Babul Supriyo and stop freaking out like
Hello,
this, you know. Yeah, he's saying hello to you, Babul, yeah. Babul
da.
Babul.
Babul da. Namaskar, Babul da.
Yes, thank. নমস্কার বলো
না বলছি যে এই যে এতগুলো টেস্ট কিটের মধ্যে ভুল প্রমাণ হলো তুমি কিছু বলো
বলছি
এতগুলো টেস্ট কিট যে আজকে তো শান্তা
I'll translate this.
ভুল প্রমাণ হয়েছে
I'll translate this. He's saying এক মিনিট এটা বাংলায় debate হবে না এক সেকেন্ড he's saying that you gave wrong test kits and they've been proven to be wrong and he wants you to say something about it. But may I request you, the debate is about the opposition of Mamata Banerjee to the central team, the interministerial central team coming to Kolkata, which has really got her very furious. So please respond.
Well, Arnav, you see, with due respect to everyone, let's understand that the political relation between the West Bengal government of Mamata Didi's TMC and BJP or the centre has not been something which has been a smooth sailing boat. So let's understand something that this kind of conflict is going to be there. I just feel that if the testing kits, there are thousands and millions of testing kits that are being distributed all over India. It is absolutely possible that a few kits may malfunction. In that case, the central team visiting Kolkata should be shown the kits and should be asked that why are these kits not performing in the manner they are supposed to perform, one. And I think the respect of the federal structure comes from the fact that the center is there to supervise or to check if by any chance it feels that the state is not doing enough in terms of the letters have been issued to Maharashtra and other states as well. And, you know, I have seen CPIM today also coming up with a statement that it is not about any political party. It is about the number of, even if there are rumors, if there are false videos, if they're out in the public domain, to truncate the fear of the people, the central team should be there. They should inspect everything, and Mamata Banerjee can come ahead and give a press conference highlighting what the West Bengal government is doing instead of letting these rumors or allegations or fact findings rule. So that's very simple. I'll keep it that simple.
Last question. She seems, because you came in late, one last question, please. Sorry, briefly. She seems to think that, there's going to be some takeover of the state government. She's saying in complete dark, central forces like BSF, SSP for logistics support have been moved in the field without any consultation. Her fear seems to be something else. I don't think she's talking of a coordinated fight on COVID here. She's got some paranoia about something else.
No, these are very, they are just mere officials. They have no intention to take over West Bengal. Trust me, I am a guy from West Bengal. Nothing of that sort is happening. We cannot address the fears that resides in Mamata Banerjee's mind right now. The priority of the central government is to address the fears that resides in the mind of the people about what is happening in West Bengal if the tests are being done, if facts are being suppressed. And I think, even as a Trinamool supporter, you have every right to defend your party, but you have to admit the fact that there is absolute pandemonium in markets going on. You cannot maintain a lockdown in that manner, the way it is being done in Kolkata. And it is also happening
that
parts
is
of
not
Delhi,
something
in
that
Maharashtra,
we can see
everywhere,
from the ground.
Everywhere.
That is not
Time up.
Everywhere.
We
I'm not saying
see
Bengal.
fake videos.
Everywhere, including I request you in Mumbai. I request you everywhere, and I want to just say this, viewers. Please, just want to say everywhere, not Bengal, not Kolkata alone. Look at Mumbai. It can't be a free run. The fight begins now. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I shall see you at 9 o'clock tomorrow, sharp at 9. Till then, good night and goodbye.